Here's my Cars Unlocked car sales training tip. If you want to get a review from every single customer that you sell a car to, you need to do something like this and take this little extra step to generate reviews. How I get a review from every single customer is I take a photo of them with their car. When I'm delivering it, I take a photo of them with their car on my phone and on their phone. And I'll send them that photo separately, maybe the day after they take delivery during my follow-up. And I'll say, hey, hopefully you're enjoying your new car. Just wanted to let you know, here's the photo, and if you could go online and submit myself a review based on your experience. There's different apps you can use, like one is called Dealer Rater Lot Shot that works specifically with Dealer Rater, but just doing this email, I found increased my reviews tenfold. You'll get a review from almost every customer, and you can even follow up with the email if they don't do the review right away, and just shoot them a text and say, hey, did you get my email with the review, or something like that. Send them the photo, put it up there, and you'll watch how many reviews you get. So if you send them the photo, they click the link, they can instantly fill out the review. You're just gonna get much more reviews. It's gonna make it that much easier for your customers. So try this out with your next delivery. Comment below if you guys did get a review. And if you guys wanna know more tips like this, I've launched my free Cars Unlocked Do's and Don'ts Masterclass, which is live right now. I'm gonna put a link to the description below, and you can learn all my tips like this in this 40-minute webinar, and you can learn what it takes to elevate your career and unlock your full potential from someone like me who's walked in your shoes, guys. So as always, subscribe if you're new here, and we'll see you in the next video.